guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup routine for back to school. Back to school season is literally around the corner. This summer went by so fast. I don't know where it went, but we're back to school already. So I have a lot more time in the morning to do my makeup now. If you are still in high school and you have to start like at 8 a.m., this makeup routine would be great for you. It's not the quickest makeup routine, but it's really natural and easy makeup routine. So if you guys want to see this back to school makeup routine, it's natural, easy, fun, simple, beautiful looking, just keep on watching. Okay guys, you know the drill. I always do my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Benefit Cosmetics Boing Brightening Concealer, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. I'm going to be using a Morphe flat top brush to place that all over the lid. I'm going to set my concealer with the RCMA No Color Powder. I have it in a Laura Mercier powder container, so don't let that throw you off, but it is the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm just going to pack that all over the lid with the Beauty Blender. Now that I've set my concealer, I'm going to gel down my brows with the NYX Cosmetics Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. So when it comes to my school makeup routine, I don't usually do eyeshadow. I usually use the bronzer or the blush that I'm going to be using that day. I go back and forth. It really depends on my mood. But today I'm going to be using my bronzer. I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer for my eyeshadow today. I'm just going to messily put it on my eyelids. I'm taking a fluffy crease brush, and then I'm going to be putting the bronzer all over my eyelids. So usually with my everyday makeup routine or back to school makeup routine in this sense, I don't put on lashes, just curl my lashes and do mascara. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to be taking the NYX Cosmetics Worth the Hype mascara. This is a waterproof mascara. Okay guys, it is time to move on to the face. I already primed my skin with the Smashbox Pore Filling Primer and also the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say that. I have to like say it in like the slowest form. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm in the color 445. I personally really like this foundation. This is by far my favorite drugstore foundation. It has a luminous finish and it lasts a really long time. I mean 24 hours. I've never worn it for 24 hours, nor will I will. But it does last a really long time, and it has SPF 25 in it, which is super awesome. I just finished putting on my foundation. Now I'm going to do concealer. The concealer that I'm using today is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am in Fair Neutral. I'm going to be putting that under my eyes, on my chin, my nose, and the center of my forehead. Now that I'm done putting on concealer, I'm going to set my concealer and my foundation with the RCMA No Color Powder once again. Alrighty, my whole face is finally set. I wiped off all the powder. Now it is time to finish the eyes. So I'm going to be taking the same bronzer that I was using earlier, the Hoola bronzer. And then I'm going to be putting it on my lower lash line and then adding mascara to the lower lashes. Now it is time for bronzer. I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics to bronze up my face. For blush, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love, and I'm going to be using Nectarine for blush today. I'm going to take some of that translucent powder once again and then bake under my bronzer and blush just to clean it up a bit. While I wait for the powder to do its magic, I'm going to highlight the rest of my face. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'm going to be using the highlight Summer. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off this bake and set my face with my favorite setting spray, which is the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This stuff is so good, especially if you don't want to look matte anymore. Okay guys, we are almost done with this makeup look. Last thing I'm going to do is my lips. I couldn't find my other e.l.f. lip gloss and I'm really sad because that would have looked so much better with this whole makeup look. Pray for me, hopefully I find it soon. But I have another one and it is the Sparkling Rose shade from the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. Okay guys, that is it for this week's video. This is my everyday makeup routine when it comes to school. Sometimes I will put on lashes, other days I'll just do mascara, but this is usually how it looks after I'm done doing my makeup for school. I don't like to look like I'm going to a nightclub at school. Like, I'm there to learn, not to look like I'm going to a nightclub. That's not the point. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just click that red button right down there. And follow me on my social medias. My Instagram is always linked in the description box below. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!